Hello, I'm Christian and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing unboxing Power Rangers Seasons 4 through 8. Start with this. The back if you want to read it. Pause it if you want. There's six discs even. There's 6 discs in each. Well, in season 3 there'll be 4 discs. 2 volumes, 6. I've already done this before, just didn't upload it, so now I have to try to do it again. 10 episodes on each disc. You can't see that. There. Same thing on the back. Volume 2, another 3 discs. Now let's go into season 2. You see the back. Pause it. $20 hours, 17.3. Same thing on this one. I think there's 9 episodes on each disc. 2 volumes, 6 discs. Pause it if you want. Nine, 18, 9, 33 episodes. Only 4 discs, just 1 volume. Now let's let this one close. Let's go into Alien Rangers. This. Only 1 disc has 10 episodes right there. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Bonus features. Pause it to read if you want. 2 discs. There's an episode guide with all the characters and episodes from all 4 seasons. We'll also be opening Adventure Time right now, and then we'll get into it. These were made in 1993 in a later video. Wait, I'll tell you in a minute. So this Adventure Time. At the end, I'll tell you the prices, where I got it from. But these were made specifically in 2013 for the 20th anniversary of Power Rangers. I'm probably guessing in August. But I know Ninja Steel is made in August, or it came out in August 2018, which is this year, because that's when it first came out. Mighty Morphin. Read it if you want. It's actually supposed to be 5 through 8. I don't know why they just did that. A long description for this one. That's all. Okay, so there's 50 episodes there's 50 episodes and there's 5 discs, so 10 discs on each episode. And then there has Power Rangers Zeo sign. Now they're gonna have this for all of it, so I'm just gonna show you that one, and then we'll get into the other ones. There is 5 discs for all of them. They don't all have 50 episodes. But I don't know if they do not. This has 9 episodes on each disc, I believe. There's 5 discs. So then there's a turbo symbol in the back of the 5th one. Oh, I forgot to mention this. They all have the season number right there. So for the other 2, it's going to have season 13. It's going to be season 6 or 7. Yeah, season 7 in space. Let you read. Oh, I didn't let you read it already. I need to watch Turbo Power Rangers movie because it says continuing the events of that. So we might need to watch that before we watch those. And I feel like the Mighty Morphin movie is just a story of those. Because I like that. So these have 8 on these 2 and then 9 on these 3. Same thing as the other ones, 5 discs. And that's going to have the in space symbol. Now for season 8. But it says season 7 on here. I have absolutely no reason why. Apparently they didn't add Alien Rangers as a series, so 45 episodes, 9 episodes on each disc. Have this all blue. And then there's the bonus disc, and then the episode guide like the last one. That's what's included. One more, just right there. If you're into Power Rangers, I'll tell you the prices and where I got them after. That's a 19 disc set. I believe this is a 21 disc set. So I got both of these on Amazon for about $50 each. So I already did that one. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to my